How to add your Instagram link to Facebook profile. First, open your Facebook app and then go to your profile in the lower right corner of the screen. Go to your profile, click Edit Profile, scroll down to see Link section, and click Edit. Once you are here, simply click Add Social Link. Then select the platform in the drop-down menu and put your username in the box provided under. Here you can see a lot of platform options, but let's choose Instagram. Then proceed to typing in your username. Once you are finished, simply click Done and then make sure to click Save in the upper right portion of the screen. Now, the link should be reflected in your profile, and you can even test it out if it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.